Snoring. What is it and why does it happen? Well, in short, it is a common sleep problem that happens to most of the people. Do you know, snoring can say a lot about your health? People who snore in their sleep are generally having different health issues. Also, are you aware that there are different kinds of snoring? Most of the people are oblivious regarding this. Well, in order to identify and cure snoring issues, firstly, you need to identify what kind of snoring one is having. Furthermore, you need to find the symptoms, causes, effects, and more. So you want to know the answer to all these queries and the best natural solutions to snoring? Well, for that, visit Sleep Deprive.